Hey guys, Tiffany here from the group. Just want to go ahead and do this video, show you guys how to make a really easy rollerball blend of essential oils and carrier oil. This is something you can do anytime to carry with you, and you can really do this with just about any essential oils you want. Today I'm going to show you how to do an easy single oil, which is lavender, and then I'm also going to show you how to do a blend that's helpful for like summer allergies and stuff like that, and it's peppermint, lavender, and lemon. So what you're going to need is your carrier oil. I got mine from Plant Therapy. I'm using a hemp seed oil today. You're also going to need your roller bottles. They're going to look like this. When choosing roller bottles, make sure that you choose a dark amber. You can even use some of the like really dark green or cobalt blue. They're probably going to, when you buy them, they're probably going to come unassembled, so you're going to have this little roller ball. This one's a glass roller ball. You may get some that are plastic, glass, or stainless steel. It kind of depends on what you prefer. I don't see a difference in how any of them work. I like the feel of the stainless steel, but they all seem to work well for me. So if you have a particular preference, then just use whatever you would like to use. So we're also going to be using our essential oils. So I've got lemon, I've got lavender, and then I've got peppermint. I get my oils from various places. I do Eden's Gardens, I do Plant Therapy, sometimes I do the Acacia, I think that's how you say it. I know there are a lot of really great ones out there. This peppermint I have is a peppermint leftover from a brand that I used to use by the name of Healing Solutions. I don't know enough about them to really promote them or not for you guys, but I just didn't want to open a brand new Plant Therapy peppermint. So if you're looking for a really good brand, you should go to Plant Therapy, Eden's Gardens. I know Rocky Mountain Oils is a great one as well, or Acacia is a good one. So whatever you prefer, you just use those. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So right now you're going to want to take your lavender. Now if you want to just do a lemon, just a peppermint, any single essential oil that you want, or even do a pre-blended oil, you can definitely do that with this, because we're only going to be using one oil in one roller ball. So it's going to be pretty easy. Now this is going to be for, make sure that you use your dilutions correctly. There's a really great dilution chart on planttherapy.com. If you go to their blog, you can type in dilution chart and it should come up. And depending on kind of what you're going to use this for, you're going to want to make sure that you get your dilutions correct based on whether you want daily use, whether you want use just every so often, that sort of thing. Right now I'm going to do a daily use. We're going to do a 3% dilution. Now anywhere between 1% and 3% can be used for daily use. I do 3% just because I don't use my roll-ons every single day. For something like lavender, I might use it, every other night or so to kind of calm down. If you're wanting to use your essential oil every day or put it on more parts of your body than, say, just your wrists or something, you're going to want to stick to a 1 to 2%. But right now I'm doing a 3%, and that's going to be 9 drops of essential oil. Oh, there we go. So there's your lavender. So this is going to be pretty easy. Another thing that you can use for this is get little pipettes. It might make it a little bit easier for you to drop the essential oil, transfer the essential oil and the carrier oil in. And if I don't have any right off where I can show you, but I can link that after this video in the group as well and let you know. So basically all I'm going to do is put 9 drops of lavender in my 10 ml. So we'll do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, that came out really fast. With some essential oils, you'll notice, and I've had this situation with lavender before, is that it comes out really fast. That's where a pipette would come in handy. But if you get less than 9 drops, it's totally fine. Just make sure that you don't do over that, because then you're going to have to adjust regarding your dilution, and you want to make sure that you get that to a safe dilution. So I'm pretty sure I got about 9 drops. So as you can see, I don't know if you can see, Well, I apologize for the light in here. It's so hot today, so I didn't want to do this outside. And I'm in my RV. My husband and I are full-time RVers, so my light and video and everything isn't the best, but, you know, it works for what I need it to. So go ahead and get your carrier oil. The thing I love about plant therapy carrier oils like this is they have a pump on them. It makes it a lot easier. They do come with a typical kind of like a lotion top where you can push the top and just pour it in, but this kind of makes it a little bit easier to kind of figure out how much you're getting in there. So you're just going to do until it's probably about, I think you can kind of see, probably about a fourth of the way up. You want to leave a little bit of room for two reasons: to put your cap on. Just push that in and it's on. You're also going to leave a little bit of room because that essential oil kind of has to incorporate with that carrier oil. And if it's way at the top, then the essential oil might sit at the top and you don't want that to happen. Put your top on and just don't ever shake your essential oil, like shake like this, but you can just kind of invert it a little bit. You can swirl it around. To get the first little bit out, you can try it on the top of your hand. Voila! And that's it. It's that easy for a single essential oil roll-on. I will also put the dilution chart up on here as well so that you guys can figure out what you'd like to do with dilutions when we're making blends. That's really helpful. And also, if you want to make something that is kid safe, you have to use specific oils for that, but I'm open to any questions that you'd like. Lavender is a kid safe. And that's another thing I love about plant therapy. If you can kind of see that little label right there, says kid safe. So it makes it really easy to buy their stuff because if you have kids and you want to use them around your kids or on your kids, then there you go. It says it right there for you. And it also has on the dilution chart, I'm looking at it right now so that I don't forget what I'm doing. It'll explain what's safe for kids and what's not because there are age restrictions and things. So let's go ahead and get with our blend. So like I said, we're going to do lavender, lemon, and peppermint. This is an excellent blend for summer allergies, for like hay fever type allergies, pollen, things like that. If you are going to use this, just make sure that any citrus oil you use is steam distilled because citrus can be phototoxic and that can cause irritation in the sun. So we'll go ahead and do that. Now, since we used 9 drops in our other 10 ml of our lavender, we're just going to break this down evenly. It's the easiest way to do this, just starting out. So we're going to do 3 of lavender, 3 drops of peppermint, 3 drops of lemon. If you want to play around more with blends and get your top note, middle note, and base note a little bit different, you can definitely do that. But I thought just starting out, this is the easiest way to make, to make your roll-ons. So I'll try to get 3 drops this time. This came out very fast. Oh, the anticipation. Okay, there we go. Whoops, 1. I don't know why it's not coming out. I may not have any lavender left. Yeah, looks like I have no lavender left because lavender is my all-time favorite oil. So I'll go ahead and break open my brand new lavender. So I got about 1 drop in. Yeah, there we go. 2, 3. Oh, I think that 4th drop went right over the edge. I'm going to go ahead and do our lemon. And I'm breaking open a brand new lemon. I love breaking open brand new essential oils. There's something satisfying about that snap when you snap open the new oil. We're going to do 3 of lemon. 1, 2, 3. Alright. And 3 of peppermint. And 1, 2, 3. Perfect. And you're just going to want to kind of roll those around like this just to get those oils incorporated, and go ahead and add your essential oils. Or I'm sorry, your carrier oil. And leave a little bit of edge at the top, if you can see that. Can't really see it too well, but go ahead and pop on your top. The roller ball, I mean. Invert a little bit. Lovely. I love that blend a lot. I use it a lot. It's so simple and easy, but it works really, really well. It smells really nice. Now, just keep in mind that depending on what carrier oil you use, it may affect the scent a little bit. I usually do a fractionated coconut oil with a lot of these because it doesn't really affect the scent of the essential oils as much, but I just got a bottle of hemp oil because it's one that I love to use in salves. I also love to put it directly on my skin, so I happen to have it, and so that's what I'm going to use. So it's that easy. It's that easy. So here's your blend. I have a little label on top just so I know which is which, and this is just the lavender. And like I said, this is at a 3% dilution, so this is safe to use on a daily basis. Now, just be wary of, be aware of sensitization. If you use one essential oil day after day after day after day, you could become sensitized to it, which basically means that its benefits could stop working. So, hear a kid crying outside. So, you might just, if you feel like you're kind of not getting the benefits of your essential oil and you're kind of wondering why, that could be a reason. So it's nice not only just for a change to have different essential oils to use, but also just to be wary of the sensitization. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. I will be doing some more really easy, simple DIY videos like this. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'm also going to put a link to, actually, I'll just paste the picture of the dilution chart on here. And if you're interested in getting oils, just go to planttherapy.com. They're a great company. If you have questions about other companies, let me know. I'm more than happy to answer any questions you may have. And yeah, and I think that's it. So enjoy, guys. And I think next time I might do a live video so you guys can kind of follow along as we do it. But I'll give you guys a lot of notice so that way you can do that. Okay, so thanks for joining the group. Please share and let your friends know about the group. I would love to have lots of discussion, lots of DIYs, and lots of just fun stuff going on. I would love your participation. Please post whatever you'd like to post and have discussion and just have fun. Okay, have a great day. Happy Father's Day to anybody out there who is a dad, and to all the dads. And have a great Sunday, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.